Before beginning the installation, be sure that the rough opening is clean, dry, free of debris, and ready for application. You will need Rissan 430 Grey, Rissan 430 Grey pre-formed corners, a knife, a squeegee, and a roller to apply pressure to the tape. Start by removing half of the backing from the Rissan 430 Grey and apply the tape across the sill and 6 inches up each jamb. Make sure to apply pressure to the tape to ensure proper adhesion. Next, trim the excess material along the jambs on each side. Remove the rest of the backing. Fold the flap out onto the sheathing and use a squeegee to install. Finish with a roller for optimum adhesion. This is our Rissan 430 Grey pre-formed corner. It is a dimensionally stable carrier that resists job site abrasion while remaining formable and pliable. EPDM reinforcement ensures no pinhole. It is important to work with sections when working with Rissan 430 Grey. Remove the backing from the portion of your corner that will be placed on the interior sill. Set up the corner on your squeegee and place the flap onto your sloped interior sill, and use a squeegee to install. Next, remove the backing from the exterior sill flap and exterior jamb flap. Fold the exterior sill flap down onto the sheathing. Fold the exterior jamb flap out onto the sheathing. Apply pressure to adhere. Remove the remaining liner from the interior jamb flap and begin by adhering along the top of the flap from the outside in. Fold the extra material onto itself to create a wrinkle. This will not affect the window installation and will be covered by the jamb tape. Apply pressure to adhere. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Next, install the jamb tape the full length of the jamb and over the corner to conceal the wrinkle in the shim space. Apply the tape to the face of the substrate using firm hand pressure. Apply pressure to ensure proper adhesion. Remove the rest of the backer and apply the rest of the tape to the inside of the jamb with a squeegee. Repeat this on the opposite jamb. Now let's prepare our Rissan 430 Grey corner for the header. Removing the backing for the head side only. Place the corner in the upper corner and squeegee the tape on the inside of the head. Remove the backing and squeegee inside the jamb. Remove the backer and squeegee to the face substrate. Roll the corner to adhere. Repeat these steps on the opposite side.